Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Cloud Billing Access Permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Cloud Billing Access Permissions, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the main dashboard. In the left-hand menu, find and click on IAM and Admin, select IAM from the drop-down menu. This will display a list of users and their assigned roles. Locate the user whose billing access you want to verify. Check the roles assigned to this user. You should look for specific billing-related roles like Billing Account User or Billing Account Administrator. If the user lacks the necessary roles, click on Add. In the new window, enter the user's email address. Select the appropriate billing roles from the drop-down. After selecting a role, click Save. To further verify billing, click on Billing Accounts. Here, you can view all billing accounts associated with your project. Select the billing account you wish to check. Within the billing account details, find Permissions. This section will show all users and their access levels. Ensure the necessary users are listed with proper roles. If required, you can adjust permissions here as well. After confirming all permissions, log out of the Google Cloud Console. Always remember to follow best practices for access management. This concludes the process of verifying Google Cloud Billing Access Permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.